Welcome back, YouTube family. I know it's been a while, so please don't come for me. I'm just playing. I love y'all. I've been busy, but it's all good. But today I wanted to show you all a DIY that I've literally created, and I want y'all to walk through this thing with me. I'm gonna show y'all how I do what I do and how I did this project. But before I go any further, if you're not a part of the Frederica Nation family, what you waiting for? Come on and be a part of the family. Hit the subscribe button and the ring bell so you never miss the uploads that I upload here on YouTube, and also so we can just love on you, period. But anyway, let me get right to this DIY. And what I'm going to be making today is a nightstand DIY lamp. Yes, a nightstand DIY lamp. Now, you don't have to actually use this lamp for a nightstand. You can use it for whatever or wherever you want to use it and for whatever reason. But in particular, I'm using it for nightstands, and I'm going to put them in my children's rooms just so they can have their own nightlight. But yeah, let me get right into the video. Enough of me talking and all this other stuff. Let's get right into it. So what you're going to need, everything came from the Dollar Tree, of course, except the E6000. You're going to need some E6000, a glue gun, and also these candy bowls I got from the Dollar Tree, and these small bowls that I got from the Dollar Tree, and the cylinders that I also got from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some glue sticks, extra glue sticks, and also some diamond wrap you're going to need. Now, let me get right into how I do what I do and show y'all how we're going to do this project. And of course, some scissors, and I don't know where they're at, but let me grab them and let's get right into it. Okay, so now you're going to take the cylinder and turn it upside down, and you're going to take the bowl and we're going to place it on top of here just like this. But you can't just use hot glue gun for this project. You're going to need some E6000 so that it can really hold down together, because you want it to stick together. Okay, and so I'm going to put some E6000 on top of this cylinder. And you don't have to use a lot because this E6000 goes a long way. Like a little bit of this will definitely, I promise you, it will definitely hold. And then you're going to take the glue gun and you're going to put some hot glue on it just so it can stick right now while you're working on your project. And then you're going to place it on top of here, but make sure when you place it that it's even and it's not crooked at all. Okay, now then what you're going to do after that, let me scoot this back so y'all can really see what I got going on here. Okay, so once you glue it on here, you're going to take your bowl, but you're not going to glue anything else because there's no point of gluing this on top of here. Okay, no point of gluing that on top of there because your LED light is going to go inside of here. And in order to change it out and change batteries, you don't want this to permanently stick. Okay? So, or you can have your LED light down here at the bottom and place the cylinder on top. But it wouldn't make sense to do that. So now what we're going to do is put some more wrap and blink it out just a little bit. I want to make this bowl kind of like a chandelier look. So what I'm going to do is cut some strips out so it can just hang off of the bowl at the top of the nightlight. Okay? So let me cut a few pieces, just a few pieces off, just to give it a nice, elegant look. Okay? And then I'm going to come back and show y'all how I did. So what we're going to do is take this diamond wrap that we got from the Dollar Tree and also this candy bowl, and I'm going to put some wrap around this candy bowl. And also, I forgot to mention, you're going to need a LED light or two of them, or however many lamps that you're going to be making. You're definitely going to need those LED lights. So you're going to take your glue gun and you're going to put the glue. I like to put the glue on the item especially when I'm doing it like this. Sorry, you all. It's kind of hard holding this. But y'all know when you're dealing with glue, you got to hurry up. Okay, so I'm going to put it on here just like that, if you can see it. And I'm going to just go around this bowl and call it a day. I'm going to just go around this bowl with this hot glue gun. And that's the only diamond wrap I'm going to put on the bowl. Then I'm going to put some diamond wrap on the cylinders in the other bowls that I have. Okay. So, yeah, I just think it's much easier when you do it like this. So, yeah. So, you're going to just take it around just like this. Let me put another stick in this glue gun. And you're going to do both of your bowls like that. Then I'm going to come back and show y'all how I do the cylinders in the bowl. Okay, you guys, this is the final look of this nightstand DIY from the Dollar Tree. This was super duper easy. So yeah, I got the LED light in the middle, on the bottom of this bowl, of course. I E6000'd it and hot glued it on there. Threw some little flowers on there just for a cuter, elegant look. And I put some wrap around the cylinder and a little bit more, you know, detail around that, and called it a day, y'all. This is very simple, easy to make DIY nightstand lamp. And you know, you can use this night lamp anywhere. Like, it doesn't even really matter. Let me show you all with the light off. Ain't that beautiful? That is really, really beautiful, y'all. So make sure that, you know, go to the Dollar Tree, get what you need to get. It's very simple, easy to make. But yeah, this is pretty much sums it up, you all. Thank you all for tuning in. I will link down in the description below the items that I used. And comment down there, you know, any other suggestions or anything like that. But make sure you subscribe. Okay, let's get this. Can we please get this video to at least 100 likes? Like, can we do that? If y'all really like this idea, can you please hit the like button? I would really appreciate it, you all. Thank y'all so very much here at Frederica Nation. See y'all.